So what are we so excited about? Your sample of Defiant. Hello. So I know you guys want to tear into this and start just using it, but stop. Let me tell you a little bit about this first, okay? And then I'm going to tell you how to apply it. Believe it or not, these 2 packs will last you 7 to 8 days, applying it to your eyes 2 times a day. But only if you listen to me. This has moringa oil in it, and moringa oil is so fantastic. Not only does moringa oil affect the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it also provides smoothing and revitalizing benefits so your skin looks ageless. So let's talk about how you're going to go ahead and apply the Defiant Uplifting Eye Cream. Make sure you wash and tone your face. I happen to like to use the Show Off and then Squeeze Me toner. Once your face is dry, you're going to take your packet and then you're going to tear it very carefully. I know. You just want to go ahead and tear the whole thing off. But you don't want to do that because we're going to be using this for 3 to 4 days and we want to make sure and keep it fresh, okay? Trust me, you're going to want to do this. And then you're going to put it on your ring finger. When you have less than a pea size on your ring finger, you're going to do 3 dots on your eyes, just like that. And then lightly pat it in. Now I know you want to go ahead and just get into it and start your routine, but can you do me a favor? Take a before and after picture. To request samples, go to bit.ly.com/myposhfix to request your 2018 Posh samples.